hello, Don here, the German 3D printing nerd. Well, just to take a little review of what I've been doing the last 6 months and still going on. Well, let's take a look. Yeah, well, as you know, I've been doing a lot of live streams, trying to get my watch time up. But as you will also see, and all, or might have seen in all the live videos that I've been doing with the Hangouts, I've been doing one model after another. And to start off, after I finished the X-Wing, I started on this one. This is the Star Citizen Hornet. As you can see here, yeah, there's the nice Hornet. Yeah, right now I have primer paint on it. I'm still waiting for a couple of parts that I need for my airbrush system so that I can connect everything up and get that up running so that I can start finishing the paint jobs. But yeah, this is a model, I must say, wow. It was a lot of parts, and in collaboration with TK 3D Prints, or 3D Design. I'll put a link down in the description from his webpage. That guy, he did a super job for me. He printed out the 2 laser cannons here up on top because they have some 1/2 millimeter thin pipes on it, and he printed the landing gear for me because of the very thin tubes right there. That wouldn't have been able to be printed on an FDM printer. Yeah. Yeah, but as you can see, yeah, this thing is really nice. This is everything that I'm showing you right now has all been printed on my Wanhao D9. And yeah, I did this one. And then, this was one heck of a print. Here you can see on the bottom, I had to use several different types of filament, several different colors. Yeah, yeah. But this took me almost a month to print, off and on. Something like the nose cone here, even though it only has 10% infill on everything. This took 56 hours to print, just the nose cone in orange here. But I'll give you a nicer view of it. As you can see, I've already done the top part with primer paint. Still have to do a little bit of touch up on it. But this thing's 85 centimeters long. This is going to be one heck of a model too. Yeah. And yeah, let me get the next, if I can. So the next model that I'm going to show you is the Rocket Raccoon and Groot that I got, so to say, as a Christmas present. Very nice lady, cat. She bought the STL files from Malik's Design and sent me the download link so that I could download the files. Yeah. And here is Rocket Raccoon. I finished up him yesterday. As you can see, there's a little bit of putty on it now. I'm getting everything ready so that I can paint him. And then let me point the camera down, if this is going to work out like I hope. So I had a bit of a freeze frame. I hope this is going to work out. Here is the base, and this is the smoke ring. Here's the rocket that comes on this launch pad. I'm not gluing this on because everything's going to be painted on this one as well. But just to give you an idea of how it looks, if I can get this thing slotted in. Yeah. Then got Raccoon here, and you see this big smoke ring here. Raccoon will be sitting on this smoke ring. I'll be making some detailed videos from this model, and also after it's painted I'll be showing more, and I'll make it an extra couple of pictures and also video from it. And yeah, but anyway, right now I'm printing the last from the stand parts for the battleship, for the Battlestar Galactica. Have to print one more of these so that I'll have the stand ready, so that when the model's finished painting I can mount that up. And I'm not sure, but just to make sure, this is one that I did back in August, September. This is the Elder Lighthouse. I hand painted this. Here's everything done on it. The only thing that I'm working on right now is to form a compartment here that I can push in, so that I can have a battery pack and then a switch that you can access from here. Yeah, so push button on off switch or something like that, you know, and then have some LED lighting in here. I'm still working on that, just haven't had the time to do it yet, but well, hopefully that'll be done in a short time. And then also Hong Kong Phooey. This was another model that I did. I think he looks okay. Yeah, but my next project, oh man, my next project, that is going to be the so-called Ausmerzer battleship from Malik's design. And that was let's call it a Christmas present that I bought for myself. It's got a heck of a lot of parts to it. About 3 or 4 kilos of dark gray and a kilo of a lighter gray. It's going to be needed for that model, and a resin printer and clear resin for all the windows. I'll put a link to that model down in the description too, because yeah, that's going to be one heck of a model. But anyway, I'll be doing live streams every Saturday. Just a normal hangout where everybody that joins in, they can talk about what they're doing, what they have going on. Oh yeah, and one other thing, let me get that here. This is something. This is something that I've been working on for a while now, and I'm still waiting for a delivery from AliExpress for the large X board. And then 2 other things are going to be needed for this, and then I'll have hopefully my hypercube finished. It's going to be a 210 by 210 by 300 build size. So now, and I'm pretty sure that when I've got this up and running, you'll probably see more coming from this instead of from the 1HAL D9. But yeah, who knows? With that Ausmerzer model, I might have both of these printers running so that I can get that model out faster. We've already seen, yeah, my good friend over in Iceland, the Martin. He printed the X-Wing within 3 days. Yeah, he had 3 printers running. I only had 1 printer running, and it took me over a month to print my X-Wing. But that's how it goes when you only have 1 or maybe 2 printers. But I'm pretty sure with 2 printers, I'll be able to get models finished a little bit faster. But in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Hit the like button, ring the bell so that you'll be notified when I'm live and when another video comes out. I will try to bring out more videos during this coming year, a little bit more often compared to the last couple of months now. But anyway, link to everything's down below. Buy me a coffee is down there. Link to my Patreon, and also a link to Amazon. If you go on that link, you'll see a complete list on the side. And then you can see for my Hypercube project, there's only a couple of parts that I still need for it. If you're interested in helping with the build, that would be nice. But until then, thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for a great last 2018. And let's hope that 2019 is going to be a great year too. Until then, take care everybody.